What's up, YouTube? JC News Now. Let's go check them out. Look, they're flying a drone.
I'll go check on 216. Equal to priority on 218. Okay.
Right on. 1611. Motorcycle. That's kind of cool. 2531. He closes CAD. What are we working on here? JC sent you. Got gang tattoos. Right on. One, two, three, four.
I thought you were just like in a class. I'm sorry.
Just working right here. Yeah. No, just like yesterday, Northtown, and they could just going from the. Oh, I can. Well, I'm gonna go to the train.
Lady Justice Liberty Press on the scene. I guess we'll park any old way we want. Park any old way we want around here. 2315.
713.
I forgot to turn my scanner off.
So we're going to check vehicle 1160. 1162 Southbridge. Hi, 1162 Southbridge.
and that's what we expect. Hats off to this corporal for explaining things to Lady K. He did a good job. We love him. What's your name?
Miller?
All right, good to see you, Miller. Are you related to the...
1325.
You know who I'm talking about?
With DFS, a complaint of verbal abuse.
She's an officer.
The suspect who's on scene has access to firearms and keeps a rifle next to the bed.
All right.
It's got a 20-minute ETA.
I like the good interactions. I know they're not interesting, but the good interactions, they mean something to me.
Silly.
It means something to me too.
Lady Justice...
1325, 121. What was the past going to take over until we get 1116 West in room 433?
We're proud of her, and
625.
just say, hey,
628, can you call in?
we busted up a piggy puddle.
The original call was just reporting that ex-girlfriend came over and has taken items from her. She's now